Hello, guys. Today we're going to finish up with comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. To compare numbers, we can use these symbols: more than, equal to, or less than. More than means more than or greater than. This symbol, it's like the kind of like the alligator eating the big number. That's how I like to say it. Just imagine this one having teeth, and then it's going to eat something like an alligator, right? So that's what I imagine the more than symbol being. The less than equals to, it's pointing to the less than object, but it's still eating the big number on this side. See that? It's still going to eat the it's going to eat something, the big number on this side, but this is going to be the less than number right here, okay? So that means this big number that the alligator like to eat, the big amount of cookies, is gonna eat the big number and not gonna eat the small amount of cookies, okay? We're gonna practice. So if it's confusing, don't worry. We're gonna practice. And equal to means both sides of the equation are equal. They balance out, okay? Like a balancing scale. Just think of this one as a balance beam, and both sides are going to be equal. That are both of these things on the sides are going to be equal. So like if it's one on this side, it's going to be one on that side, okay? So means equal to. This equal sign means equal to. Less than means the little number is over here and the alligator is going to eat the big number, okay? And then the other one is the same, is greater than, meaning the alligator is going to eat the big number on this side, okay? That's what the alligator is going to eat, that number. But this number means greater than, okay? So remember, this side is always the big number. This side is pointing to the little number. The arrow is always pointing to the little number. The alligator is always eating the big number, okay? That's the easiest way I can describe it, guys, okay? Next page. All right, let's see. Erase all of that. Erase, erase, erase. How do I erase all that? Oops. Why is it not going away? Erase, erase, erase. Por favor. How do you erase that? I don't know. Okay. So it's not going to erase. So I'm going to have to erase it manually so that you guys can see. Okay. All right. Now let's try it. Answer the following. Is this number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, is it greater than or less than or equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Okay. So it's 13 on this side and 10 on this side. Okay. So which one is the bigger number? Or which one? That's where the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. Okay. Alligator is eating the big number. Chomp, chomp, chomp. It's going to chomp up 13 because 13 is bigger than 10, which means it's pointing to the 10 as the little number, the little minion, okay? It's always pointing to the little number, okay? So 13 is greater than or more than 10, okay? So let's try the next one. This is 9, 9. And this number is also 9. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So is 9 and 9 greater than, less than, or equal to? Greater than, less than, or equal to? I hope you said equal to, because they are the same balance. They balance on the same sides. This is equal to this. This is valued at the same amount as this one. Okay, 9 equals 9. All right, now let's go to the last one. Let me move my screen. All right, we have paper clips. Paper clips. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 paper clips on this side. 13. And how many on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is on this side. 15. 15 is on this side. All right, now let me ask you, which one is more than? Is it more than, less than, or equal to? Is 13 more than, less than, or equal to 15? All right, so it looks like 13 is the little number. So we're going to point to the little number and eat the big number. The alligator is going to eat the big number and it's going to point to the little number, okay? So 13 is less than 15, okay? Less than 15. I hope you guys understood that. Now let's clear this page. Clear this page. And do some more. Well, this is our answer. And so it looks like we were correct, right? Because we said, let me erase all this off here. Because we said 13 was more than 10, which 13, meaning the alligator is eating the bigger number and is pointing to the little number, okay? Then we said equal to. 9 is equal to 9. We were correct on that one. And then what about this one? Oh, we said that this number is what? 18, I think it was 18, is greater than this number, which was 13. Okay, so we did pretty good on that one, right, guys? So let me erase all of this so we can move on to the next page. I don't know why my magic eraser is not working. My magic eraser will erase all of it at one time, like swoop. We'll swoop it all out of the way. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. Now we have numbers, okay? Let's try it. Answer the following. We're using more than, less than, or equal to. 20 is more than, less than, or equal to 20. What do you think? What about 9? 9 is more than, less than, or equal to 19. What do you think? And 18 is more than, less than, or equal to 17. What do you think? What's your answer? Think about it. Remember, the alligator eats the bigger number and it points to the smaller number. The point points to the smaller number, okay? All right. Let's see if we got it right. Let's move on to the next slide. Oh, here we go. 20 is equal to 20. 9 is less than 19 because the point is to the 9 and the alligator is eating the big number, which is 19. What about 18? 18 is greater than 17 because 18 is the bigger number and the alligator is eating the bigger number and it's pointing to the little number, okay? All right, here's some interactive activities. Now, choose the correct symbol. 12 is what to 12? Is it greater than, equal to, or less than? I think it's equal to. 12 is equal to 12. I hope you got that right. What about this one? 20 is greater than, equal to, or less than 10. Greater than, equal to, or less than 10. Remember the big number eats the little number. So the alligator or the Pac-Man is eating the big number and the point right here is pointing to the little number. Okay? So 20 is greater than 10. What about this one? Choose the correct symbol. 11 is compares to 17. How does 11 compare to 17? Is it greater than, equal to, or less than? It is less than. 11 is less than 17 because the Pac-Man is eating, the alligator or the Pac-Man is eating the bigger number and it's pointing to the smaller number. Okay? Let's keep going. Ooh, they have an alligator here. Choose the correct number. Ooh, so the alligator has to eat the bigger number. So it has to be bigger than 20, right? Let's see. What number is bigger than 20? Let's see. 16 is less than 20. 20 is equal to 20. So it has to be 32 is greater than or more than 20. Let's go to the next one. Choose the correct number. We're looking to see what is less than 10. We need a number that's less than 10. What number did you get? Did you get 7, 30, or 10? Which one is less than 10? I hope you chose 7 because 7 is the only one that is less than 10 because the alligator is eating the big number, which is 10. So we have to find a number here that is less than 10. Okay? All right. Last one. Ooh, choose a number that is equal to 6. What number compares to 6 by being equal to 6? Equal. It balances. 21, 6, or 3. Which number is equal to 6? All right. I hope you chose correctly. 6 is equal to 6. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson activity. Let's go ahead and go to your binders, station number 6 binder, and we are going to complete the comparing numbers page. Comparing numbers page. Okay, so we're using the signs greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, 21 compares to 21. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to 21? I hope you guys got that one. That's pretty easy. Equal to. Equal to. So you'll write the comparing numbers. Let's do the next one. I'll help you with 2, and then you'll have to finish the rest on your own. 11 compares how greater than, less than, or equal to 17. Is 11 greater than? Should the alligator eat the big number 11? Is 11 the big number, or is 17 the big number? You have to think about that. Remember, the alligator, the Pac-Man, or the alligator eats the big number. So we know the big number is what? 17. So, because 17 is bigger than 11 on our number line. Okay? So and it's pointing to the little number. Okay? So that's how you find out which sign you use in greater than, less than, or equal to. All right? Do your very best. Bye bye.